This is Scott Becker with the Becker Business Podcast, the Becker Private Equity Podcast. Today, we're going to discuss Amex, Tenet Healthcare, and Krispy Kreme. So the donut fix, obviously, some people are getting their donut fixed. Krispy Kreme jumped 26% yesterday. But again, this is a lot like some of the other meme stocks. I'll also note GoPro also jumped 41%. This has very little to do with company results, but more about people jumping up the stock, pumping up the stock, and killing those that are trying to cover short positions. So again, Krispy Kreme jumped 26%, GoPro jumped 41%. But again, more gambling stocks than real stocks and somewhat unrelated to earnings. Second, Tenet Healthcare, which has done a tremendous job, beat on revenues, beat on earnings, dropped 11% yesterday. And that's more goes to one of the concepts we saw in the Wall Street Journal reported the other day. Good is not good enough. Trading at great multiples, lots of expectations. They dropped 11%, notwithstanding winning on earnings, winning on revenues. Their ambulatory business is not hitting targets. It just slightly missed estimates there, and that could have caused some of the negativity, and admissions were down slightly too. But in the big scheme of things, Tenet performed really well, but still saw their stock drop 11% yesterday. So we'll see where that goes. Finally, American Express is only up 2.5% year to date. And this is notwithstanding our family spending on American Express like it's going out of style. I'm doing everything I can to try and control that spend internally. I could use some help someplace, but the issue is Amex only up 2.5% year to date, notwithstanding how much the Becker family seems to be using the Amex. It's the only credit card we use. We don't have any other credit cards. We don't keep balances. But still an absolute disaster. Thank you for listening to the Becker Business, the Becker Private Equity Podcast. Again, Krispy Kreme and GoPro surge, Tenet up 11% yesterday, and Amex up 2.5% year to date. Thank you for listening to the Becker Business Podcast and the Becker Private Equity Podcast. Thank you very, very much.